Assalamualaikum class. Ha video ini i-tackle nato amin na review nato last time. Bang uno in definition of quadratic function iban equation. I-tackle nato din biyaon in mga examples and non-examples in quadratic equation. So, sa hunta bang uno in meanings in quadratic functions. It is a second-degree polynomial function of the form f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a should not equal to 0. Every quadratic function has a U-shaped or an inverted U graph called a parabola. So, in niya, in quadratic function ini, in highest degree niya is second degree. Okay? In second degree, which means in highest niya, in pinakamataas, exponent niya is 2. Okay? So, yadto in pangitaan ta, bang in given equation, quadratic ba siya bukon, no? So, in standard form niya, amo na ax squared plus bx plus c. So, in A ta, B, iban C, real numbers sila. Ubos in leading coefficient atau leading term na to, dapat bukon siya mag-equal to 0. Nabang siya mag-equal to 0, hati na in first term na to yadto, 0 na siya. So, di nato ma-determine bang in given quadratic ba siya to bukon. Okay? So, bang i-graph ta in quadratic function, in dagbusin graph niya, biya U siya bihan atawa inverted U. So, biya ini in mga graphs in quadratic function. Biya U atawa inverted U. No? So, kakitaan niyo di ha example ini, no? Ha example ta, y is equal to 2x squared plus bx minus 5. Di ba in pinakamatas exponent niya is 2. So, which means quadratic siya, no? So, yun nga, balikan ko. Kaingatan ta, in given quadratic atau bukon, kita untahadya ha exponent niya. Okay? Okay, so, proceed kita pa next. So, basahon ta sa bangunin quadratic equation ini, no? So, it is a mathematical statement that equates a quadratic expression to 0. It is typically written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Where ito guys ha, where a, b, and c are constants with a should not equal to 0. So, in quadratic equation ini sab, expression ta, i-equate siya pa 0. Okay? So, bang-aon kakitaan niyo equal sign between expression ini, iban 0 yaon, in hati niya, example siya sin quadratic equation. Okay? Quadratic function kasi, kaina, y equals 2x squared. So, mag-use kita variable DE, no? Uno variable. Tapos, waroon equals 0 DE. Diba? Waroon. So, inyad to, quadratic function siya ba ini. Bang 0 DE, balikan ko, bus on equal sign, bus iari di in equation, inyad to, example sin quadratic equation siya. Okay? So, proceed kita pa next. So, yari in examples, no? Sin mga equation. Kita unta DE bang hain DE in quadratic, iban bukon quadratic. Okay? So, kita unta number 1, ax squared plus 9 equals 0. So, kakitaan ta, in first term ini, in highest exponent niya, 2. Okay? 2 in highest exponent niya. So, in natin niya 2, in number 1 ini, quadratic equation siya. Okay? So, proceed kita pa number 2. Number 2, x squared plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So, di sab, kakitaan niyo na sab, in first term ini, in highest exponent niya, 2. So, which means, quadratic equation din siya. Okay? So, proceed kita pa next. Number 3 ini, c is equal to 2 pi rad. So, bangway roon, kakitaan niyo exponent sa taas, understood in exponent niya, 1 lang. So, since 1 siya, which means, bugon siya quadratic equation. Okay? Bugon siya quadratic equation. So, proceed kita. Inibugon siya. So, number 4 is negative x equals 7. So, yun nga, biara kaina, mayroon exponent niya, understood ang 1 exponent niya. So, since 1 in quadratic equation dapat 2, so, bukon ini, quadratic equation. Okay. So, number 5, last example, x squared plus x cubed equals 5. So, kakitaan niyo ang x squared diye. Ha, first term na to. Sa pagka-second, ang siya x cube. So, in mataas, exponent niya, ha, equation ini is 3. So, which means, in ini, bugon siya quadratic equation. Okay? Kasi ang 3. Dapat, in pinakamataas na exponent sin quadratic equation, dapat 2 lang siya. So, yung 3, so bukon na ini quadratic equation. Okay? So, yan to lang guys. See you next meeting.